Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to replace a cooking gas cylinder regulator.
First thing you need to do is to turn the regulator off. Then you lose the clip. You detach the hose. Remove the regulator. This is a new regulator, super flame. You can see it. You can then fix it. Then fix back the hose. Then clip it in between.
It is done. See? As simple as ABC. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like or share. On my next video, I will teach you how to know the capacity of your cooking gas cylinder. Thanks once again for watching.